Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Master English Academy, your way to improve your English. مرحبا بكم أصدقائي في قناتكم Master English Academy.
في درسنا لهذا اليوم سنتعلم جملا الأكثر استعمالا في اللغة الإنجليزية. We're gonna learn some sentences that we use in our daily conversation. So listen and repeat after me. Think about it. Think about it. فكر في الأمر. Take your time. Take your time. خذ وقتك. I'd like to apologize for being late. I'd like to apologize for being late. أود أن أعتذر عن تأخري. Not for me, thanks. Not for me, thanks. ليس لي، شكرا. My fault. That's my fault. ذلك خطأي. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. لا يهم. Absolutely. Absolutely. قطعا. At least. At least. على الأقل. You inspire me. You inspire me. أنت مصدر إلهامي.